This is Jake Boyd here with Guarantee RV, and I'm in Junction City, and I'm here to talk to you about this 2000 Little Guy Rough Rider 6 Wide that we just got in. A lot of people have been asking about ultra small, minimalist, ultra light trailers, and this one is one that won't stay around for long. It's exactly 13 feet from the tip of the hitch to the very rear. That includes that 17.5-inch platform in the front. And this guy weighs 1,575 pounds dry, and it can carry more than it weighs itself. That includes the roof rack for kayaks, bikes, whatever you want to take on your adventure. It can carry 1,925 pounds. So its capacity far exceeds its size. So what we have here, we have two entrances. There's a straight pass-through, minimalist trailer. A king-size bed fills the entire interior. And what you get inside there, you get a DVD player, a CD player, a television, and a lot of pass-through storage, plus all of your hookups and plugs, USB 110 chargers, fantastic fan on the roof. You have LED lights throughout. Speakers on the inside, as well as, you're not going to miss it, cup holders on either side. If you follow around to the back, you have a little hidden kitchen and prep station. This is all hooked up and plumbed to your propane as well. And what I was talking about pass-through storage, these storage options right here pass through directly to the interior. All your plugs, lights can be added right here. Light on top so you won't go dark once you pull in. And beyond that, you have a receiver hitch. This is for platform storage or another bike rack, and that's rated for 125 pounds. Beyond that, you just walk around to the side. Yes, it does have an outdoor shower, and beyond that, it is solar ready. There are lights on either side ready to light up wherever you pull in. If you have any questions about this or any other minimalist trailers, my name is Jake at Guarantee RV. Give me a call or stop on by.